Hi everyone, these sums from the chapter mensuration, exercise 10.1, first problem. A joker's cap in the form of right circular cone whose base radius is 7 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Here to make joker caps, the joker cap in the form of cone, that joker cap cone base is a circle. Its radius is 7 centimeter and height of the joker cap is 24 centimeter. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Now radius of the cone is equal to, means radius of the cap base is equal to r 7 centimeter. Vertical height of the cone h is equal to 24 centimeter. Now slant height we don't know. Slant height means this L. If you observe AOB is a right angle triangle. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base side square plus perpendicular side square. Means OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. Then L square is equal to H square plus R square. L is equal to, when you send a square is equal that side, it's become square root. Square root of H square plus R square. Value of H 24 and value of R 7 centimeter. 24 square plus 7 square. 24 into 24, 576 plus 7 sevens are 49. 576 and 49, their sum is 625. Square root of 625 is 25. How to find the square root of a number? There are two methods. One is a division method, another one is a prime factorization method. Division method is easy to do. 625, write like this. From right hand side to take two digits. Now remaining there is one digit. 1 is 1, 2 4, 3 9. So take 2. 2 2s are 4. And then there are different 6 4 2. Take this 25 at a time, pair digits. Okay. Now whatever it may be, you multiply with 2. 2 to 4 you write here. Now same factors. If you write here 1, there also 1. Write 2, there also 2. 3 3, 4 4. Now write 5 here 5. It's become 45 and this 5. 5 5 are 25, 5 4 are 20, 22, 225. We got remainder 0. So square root of 625 is 25. Now slanting height of this cone L is equal to 25. Area of the sheet required to make one cap is equal to pi r L, lateral surface area of a cone. Pi value 22/7, r value 7, L value 25. Now 7 7 same numbers get cancelled, numerator denominator. Then remaining 22 into 25, 25 2s are 50, 25 2s are 50 plus 5, 55 square centimeter. Area of one joker caps, area material required to make a joker cap is equal to 550 square centimeter. Like how many caps? 10 caps. So 550 into 10, 5500 square centimeters. First one completed. Now second one. A sports company was ordered to prepare 100 paper cylinders. Without caps for shuttlecocks. The required dimension of the cylinder before cone, here cylinder, are 35 centimeter length or height and its radius is 7 centimeter. Find the required area thin paper sheet needed to make such 100 cylinders. Now number of cylinders asked 100. Radius of the cylinder 75 centimeter. Height or length of the cylinder is 35 centimeter. Area required to make a cylinder, one cylinder. Lateral surface area of a cylinder. Formula 2 pi RH. These formulas are very important. 2 pi RH. Lateral surface area of a cylinder. Now 2 pi value 22/7 into R 7 H 35. 7 get cancelled. 22s are 44 into 35. The product of 44 and 35 is 1540 square centimeter. Area to make one cylinder. Asked to make 100 cylinders. So area required to make such a 100 cylinder. Paper sheet 1540 into 100. 1540 two zeros means 1,54,000 square centimeters. To change square centimeters into meter square, then divide with 10,000 centimeters square. 100 into 100, 10,000. 1,54,000 by 10,000. Area to make such 10 cylinders is equal to 15.4 square meters or 1,54,000 square centimeters. This is square centimeters. This is square meters. Second one also completed. Now next third one. Find the volume of a right circular cone with radius 6 centimeter, height 7 centimeter. Radius 6 centimeter and height 7 centimeters. A radius of a right circular cone R is equal to 6 centimeters. Height of that circular cone H is equal to 7 centimeter. Find the volume. Volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square H. This is the formula. So all problems in exercise 10.1 especially overall cone and cylinder. Cone, lateral surface area, total surface area, volume. Cylinder, lateral surface area, total surface area, volume. All problems are depend on only these 3D shapes. What are cone and cylinder? Volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square H. 1/3 pi value 22/7 or radius value 6 into 6 into H value 7. Now 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 7 get cancelled. Now what are the denominators left here? Only 1, so no need to write. 22s are 22, 2s are 44. Next 22 into 2, 44. Remaining 6. These 7 and 7 get cancelled. 6 4 are 24, 6 4 are 24, 26, 264 cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Volume of this cone. Next, the lateral surface area of a cylinder. Lateral surface area of a cylinder. Lateral surface area of a cylinder is equal to the curved surface area of a cone. Curved surface area of a cone. Comparing two 3D shapes, the lateral surface area of a cylinder, lateral surface area how much? 2 pi RH. Next is equal to the curved surface area of a cone. Curved surface area pi RL. Both are same. If the radius be the same, this radius and this radius also same. Find the ratio of the cylinder and slant height of the cone. Find the ratio of the cylinder and slant height of the cone. Now lateral surface area of a cylinder, curved surface area of a cone, both are same. Let be the what asked here? Find the ratio of the height of the cylinder and slant height of the cone. Find the ratio of the height of the cylinder. Here find the ratio of the height of the cylinder and slant height of the cone. Now using this problem, here missed height. Lateral surface area of a cylinder is equal to curved surface area of a cone. Let be the radius of the cylinder and radius of the cone, both are R. Height of the cylinder H. Slant height of the cone is L. 2 pi RH is equal to pi RL given in the problem. Given in the problem itself. Now keep H left hand side. Take this L also left hand side. Remaining side is equal to right hand side. Pi R by 2 pi R. Pi R get cancelled. 1 by 2 H by L. This is fractional form. Now write ratio form. H is to L is equal to 1 is to 2. the ratio of the height of the cylinder to slant height of the cone is equal to 1:2. Okay, now next fifth problem. A self-help group wants to manufacture Joker's cap, means conical caps, cone-shaped caps of 3 centimeter radius and 4 centimeter height. Radius is 3 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter. If the available color paper sheet is 1000 centimeter square, then how many caps can be manufactured from that paper sheet? Fifth problem. Radius of the Joker cap R is equal to 3 centimeter. Vertical height of the cap H is equal to 4 centimeter. Now to find the slanting height of the cone. See, if you observe, means this is a perpendicular side, base side, hypotenuse, like a right angle triangle. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base side square plus perpendicular side square. So L square is equal to H square plus R square. L square is equal to H square plus R square using Pythagoras theorem. L is equal to square root of H square plus R square. Value of H 4, value of R 3. 4 square plus 3 square is equal to 16 plus 9. Their sum is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Now slanting height L is equal to 5 centimeter. Area of the paper needed to make one cap is equal to lateral surface area of a cone. Lateral surface area of a cone. Pi RL. Pi value 22/7 into R3 into 5. Pi RL. 22/7 into 3 into 5. Now area of a paper is equal to 1000 centimeter square. Now how many such caps we can prepare using 1000 centimeter square paper? Number of caps can make with this paper is equal to total area by small area. Total area, paper area how much? 1000 by small area 22/7 into 3/5. Whenever you see that fraction in a denominator place, you write its reciprocal in numerator place. 22/7 means 7/22. Now remaining 1000 into this 7/22 into 3 into 5. Now 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 5 are 10, 00. Next 5 1 is 5. Wait, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 5 are 10, double zeros. 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, 0 0. 100 into 7, 700 by remaining 11 3 are 33. After division 700 by 33, we can get 21.2. Number of Joker caps can be made using this 1000 centimeter square paper, means 21 caps we can make. Next, sixth one. A cylinder and a cone have bases of equal radii. A cylinder and a cone have bases of equal radii and are of equal heights. Cylinder, cone, both they have same radius, same heights. Show that their values are in the ratio 3:1. Radius of the cylinder is equal to radius of the cone, same radius. Height of the cylinder, height of the cone, same height. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Volume of the cone 1/3 pi r square h. Their ratio cylinder to cone pi r square h is to 1/3 pi r square h. Pi r square h numerator, 1/3 pi r square h denominator. Pi r square h get cancelled. Now numerator 1 is remaining, denominator 1/3. Now wherever you observe in a denominator place there is a fraction, write its reciprocal in numerator place. 1 into 3/1 is equal to 1 into 3. 1 into 3/1. Okay. Now 3 1 is 3. 3/1. 3/1 means 3:1. This is a fractional form. This is ratio form. The ratio of the cylinder to cone when they have same radius and heights is equal to 3:1. Now seventh one. A solid iron rod has a cylinder shape. A rod solid rod. That rod, iron rod, is in which shape? Cylinder shape. Its height is 11 centimeter and base diameter is 7 centimeter. Then find the total volume of 50 rods. Given here diameter. So simply do the division with 2. We can get radius. Height of the cylinder rod is equal to 11 centimeter. Diameter of the cylinder rod is equal to 7 centimeter. Then radius is equal to diameter by 2. Diameter 7 by 2. 7 by 2 or 3.5. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Pi value 22 by 7. R value 7 by 2. R square, so 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. H 11. Now volume of such 50 cylindrical rods is equal to 50 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 11. 7 get cancelled. 2 1 is 2 25s are. 2 1 is 2 11s are. Now in the denominator place only multiples of 1. Only 1 1 1 1. 25 into 11 into 7 into 11. 11 is 121. 7 5 35, 7 2 is 14 plus 3 70. 175 into 121. Their product is 21,175 centimeter cube. Volume of such a 50 cylinder rods is equal to 21,175 cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. 6th, 7th completed. Now 8th problem. A heap of rice. When you unload rice using the tractor on floor, rice how like will stay on ground like this na. This is called heap of the rice or sand. In this way, okay. A heap of rice is in the form of a cone of diameter 12 meters and height is 8 meter. Diameter 12, then radius 6. Diameter 12 meter and height is 8 meter. Find its volume. How much canvas cloth is required to cover that heap? To cover that total heap. Diameter of the cone is equal to 12 meter. Its radius 12 by 2 is equal to 6 meters. Volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi value 22 by 7. But given here use pi value 3.14. R square means 6 into 6 into height 8 centimeter. 8 meters. Now 3 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. 22 by 7 besides 3.14 into 6 2s are 12 into 8. Now 12 8s are 96. 3.14 into 96. Their product 301.44 meter cube. Now curved surface area of the heap rice cone is equal to pi r l. L, to find the slant height of any cone, L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. This is the formula. Height 8, radius 6, 8 square plus 6 square, 64 plus 36. 64 plus 36, their sum is 100. Square root of 100 is 10 meter. Now slant height L is equal to 10 meters. Using to find the curved surface area of that heap, pi RL is equal to pi value 3.14 into R6, slant height 10. After multiplication, any decimal number with 10, this decimal point goes right hand side. So 3.14 besides 31.4 into 6. 6 4 is 24, 6 1 is 68, 6 3 is 18, 188.4 square meters. Area of the canvas required to cover the heap is equal to 188.4 square meters. Next, 9th problem. The curved surface area of a cone. The curved surface area of a cone is 4070 centimeters and its diameter 70 centimeter. What is the slant height? See, this is a diagram. The curved surface area given 4070 centimeter square. Its diameter 70, then radius 35. Find its slanting height. Curved surface area of a cone pi RL, but a value given in the problem 4070. diameter 70, then radius 70 by 35 centimeter. So both are equal. Pi value 22/7. Then R35, L we don't know, is equal to 4070. Place L as a subject, then remain all you send is equal to that side. 22/7, after transposition it change as 7/22. Now do the cancellation. 7 1 is 7, 7 5 35, 5 1 is 5, 5 8 is 40, 5 1 is 5, 2 remaining, 5 4 is 20, 8 1 4. Next, I will show you, wait. 4070 into 7/22/35. See, 4070/35 into 7/22. 7 4 11, 11 2 ja 11 3 are 33, 7 remaining, 11 7 ja 77, 0. 11 3 are 33, 7, 11 7 are 77, 0. Next, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 1 is remaining, 2 8 is 16, 1 is remaining, 2 5 are 10, 7 1 is 7, 7 5 are 35, 5 1 is 5, 5 3 are 15, 3 is remaining, 5 7 are 35, 37. So slanting height L is equal to 37. Slant height of the cone is 37 centimeter. So now we did 9 problems in exercise 10.1. All problems are based on cone and cylinder. So you recall their formulas. What is the lateral surface area of a cylinder? 2 pi RH. Total surface area of a cylinder 2 pi r of r plus h. Volume of a cylinder pi r square h. In the same way, cone. Lateral surface area of a cone pi r l. Total surface area of a cone pi r of l plus r. Volume of a cone 1/3 pi r square h. So learn formulas and try to understand each and every fact in the problem. Observe what number is given, that number playing which role in that problem. Like you practice more times, then you can understand easily. Thank you so much.